Today I'm going to explain how the fast fill, fast deflate regulator assembly works. This section over here is the fast fill. This section down here is the regulate section, and this section over here is the deflate section. Once the packer is connected to the bottom connection here and the air compressor is connected here, this valve is open. That allows high pressure, high volume air to fill the packer quickly. Once the packer is almost fully inflated in the pipe, close that, regulate with the regulator. The pressure on the packer can be monitored on this gauge. Once the curing process is done, turn the regulator off, open the drain valve, open this valve which allows high pressure air to come in, run through the vacuum assembly, the venturi, and you'll be able to see the pressure drop a few PSI. The sound will change coming out of here, and it will draw the air out of the packer in a matter of just minutes. If you have any other questions, contact your Source One rep or visit s1eonline.com.